Okay, hi everybody, I want to introduce in this video our newest feature, market research on Aliexpress. Aliexpress is a very good suppliers with a large variety of different kinds of products and categories and different niches. And if you can find good products on Aliexpress, you can resell them on eBay, you can dropshipping those products on eBay with a very big profit. So in order to find the best products on AliExpress, you need to go to AliExpress market research, and let's say I'm going to look for men's handbag. Okay, great, men's handbag. I can also filter by price. So let's say if you want to sell expensive products on eBay, you can look for items that are minimum $100 and up. If you want to sell less expensive items on eBay, you can look for men handbags on AliExpress, which are, let's say, $5 to $25, okay, or really it is really up to you. On the left side, you are going to choose which country to calculate the shipping cost, okay? So for example, I choose United States, okay? And then do you want to look only for products on AliExpress that offer a free shipping option, or all of them, okay? So anyway, I always leave it by default, all items United States, okay? I just change the keywords and I can change the price. So let's say I want to find men handbags on AliExpress, which are $5 to $20, okay? And I click on run search. Usually the software works very fast. All the results are live, real-time results. So we need to give Chili Hunter a few moments to connect to AliExpress database and take out all the important information. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already have my results, and you can see I have a lot of different products that Chili Hunter found on AliExpress, good selling products. Now I want to filter those results, so I'm going to click on table filters, and I will ask Chili Hunter to show me only products that sold minimum 50 times. And only products with rating, it is the stars on AliExpress, 4 and up. So minimum 4 stars and minimum 50 sold history. Okay, and I'm going to click on apply. And now all the products you can see in this list, for example the first one, okay, you can see the photo and you have the title. If you click on the title, Chili Hunter is going to take you straight to the listing on AliExpress. Very nice one. You can see the price of this product on AliExpress. You can see if e-packet is free, or maybe e-packet costs money, or maybe sometimes you are going to see no e-packet at all. And you're going to see the rating and number of orders and link to the seller store. Okay, if I click to seller store, I'm going inside this guy's store, right? And I can also see which sellers are top brand sellers. It means that they are similar to top rated seller on eBay. On AliExpress, top brand means that the seller is authorized reseller for this brand, and usually they give much more or much better shipping times and much better customer service, and they're better sellers on general. Okay, so you can find a lot of interesting items over here. For example, this one, it was sold already more than 1,000 times. Like, wow, this one is really hot. It has 4.9, almost 5-star rating, so the rating of this product, its quality is super, and it is pretty cheap, only $11. If I go to Aliexpress, okay, I'm going to see exactly what this product is about. And that's it, guys. You can see it is very easy. If you want to find good items to dropshipping from China, from AliExpress to eBay, all you need to do is to go to Chili Hunter, look for different keywords and niches and categories and different products, and Chili Hunter in real time is going to connect to AliExpress database and show you the hottest, the best selling, the top items that you can take. And as you can see, it is very easy. You can find very good items that are selling very good, and list those items on eBay with your profit margin and make good money.